Join me for this quick little project that's both cute and functional. I found this shelf at Goodwill last week for under $8. First, let's measure the shelf and the space. Then I'll eyeball where I want it. Once I've decided, I make sure it's level and I mark where the screws will go. I was really hoping to find a stud close to where I wanted it, but there weren't any. So big anchors it is. But before I start, I better give it a quick clean since it was used. Next, I'll drill the holes for the anchors and insert them. Then I'll screw the shelf directly into the anchors using the pre-drilled holes. Finally, it's time to decorate. It fits the style of our space perfectly and creates a great spot for my husband to drop his keys, sunglasses, and coat when he enters from the garage. Now maybe I won't have to keep moving his things off the kitchen island. Let's hope so.